In a lengthy message explaining her choice, Amber Heard settles a slander lawsuit with Johnny Depp. I am unable to. Actress Amber Heard has revealed that she and her ex-husband, actor Johnny Depp, have settled their multi-million-dollar defamation lawsuit. Amber sent a note to Instagram, but she withheld the terms of the settlement. This comes after a Virginia jury mandated that she give Johnny Depp $10 million. See also, Amber Heard appeals the chilling $10 million defamation decision against Johnny Depp and requests a fresh trial against him. After much thought, I have decided to make a very difficult decision to settle the defamation case filed against me by my ex-husband in Virginia, Amber wrote in her note. I must emphasize that I never selected this. My life as I knew it was ruined because I stood up for the truth. When women come out, they are often re-victimized in ways that are compounded by the vilification I have experienced on social media. I have now been given the chance to free myself from something on conditions that I can accept after making an attempt to do so more than 6 years ago. I have not admitted anything. This is not a concession in any way. Moving ahead, there are no limitations or gags on my voice. Having lost faith in the American justice system after my unprotected testimony became entertainment and social media fodder, I've made this choice. When I appeared before a judge in the UK, a strong, unbiased, and fair system upheld me, protecting me from having to deliver my worst evidence in front of the world's media. The court also determined that I had been the victim of domestic and sexual assault. However, in the US, I used practically all of my resources in preparation for enduring a trial where I was subjected to a courtroom where a plethora of direct evidence that supported my testimony was suppressed, and where popularity and power were valued more highly than logic and the rule of law. In the interval, I experienced a form of humiliation that I am unable to repeat. The optimum result would be a retrial where a fresh jury would have to again weigh the facts, even if my US appeal is successful. I can't possibly go through that a third time. Amber went on, since time is limited, I want to use it wisely and productively. I have been imprisoned in an expensive and time-consuming judicial system for far too long, and it has repeatedly failed to defend my interests or my freedom of speech. I cannot afford to take a financial and psychological risk that would result in an unattainable cost, physical and psychological. Unfortunately, it happens frequently to women who speak their truth and should not subject them to harassment or financial ruin. In resolving this case, I am also deciding to have the flexibility to devote my time to the work that, after my divorce, helped me recover, work that takes place in spheres where I feel seen, heard, and believed in which I am confident that I can bring about change. I won't let what happened intimidate, demoralize, or prevent me from telling the truth. Nobody will be able to take that away from me. My voice will always be my most important possession. I want to express my gratitude for the amazing work that my initial trial team and appellate team have done. I want to express my gratitude to everyone who has helped me and focus on the rising support that I have experienced and witnessed publicly in the months following my trial, as well as the initiatives taken to express solidarity with my story. Any victim will tell you that sometimes feeling able to share their tale feels like the only solace. I can't express to you how much hope your faith in me gives each and every one of you. I'm grateful. We'll talk soon, finally, she said. Amber uploaded the note but left it without a caption. She only used the emoji for 2 hearts. Less than a month after Johnny filed his own appeal, Amber appealed the $10 million defamation judgment in the Virginia court earlier this month. Even if this court were to disagree with all of the foregoing, the documents obtained by E! News stated, the jury's award to Depp of $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages clearly is excessive given the narrow time frame for which Depp could recover.